It's turkey time, and we are going to celebrate by making this super cute Thanksgiving turkey pull-apart cupcake cake. Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle. Let's get started on this turkey cake and sweeten the world. First thing I'm going to do is arrange my cupcakes in rainbow style that is filled in with cupcakes. Did you know that turkeys can fly up to 55 miles an hour in the air? And on the ground, they can run 25 miles an hour. Who knew? But we don't want this turkey to slide anywhere. We want him to stay on the plate. So I'm putting a little bit of frosting on the bottom of each of my cupcakes so that he stays put. Next thing I'm going to do is moisten up my turkey with some Sweetwater because everyone likes moist turkey. I'm putting feathers on my cupcake cake, and it's simply just using a round tip. In my case, it is tip 12 with a variety of turkey feather colors. And I'm just making little shells with this tip all over the outside of the cake. As I mentioned before, it's kind of like a rainbow. So filling in the rainbow with lots of turkey color. Did you know that only male turkeys gobble, 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 gobble? All right, next is the turkey body. So I'm going to start by making his body with a little bit of yummy chocolate frosting. I'm using a crusting buttercream recipe, and I'll leave a link down below to one of my first videos where I made this buttercream frosting. So I'm able to smooth out my frosting with a paper towel, or in my case I use a soft cloth. Next is the turkey head, which is right in the middle of our turkey feather compilation. I'm going to add 2 little eyes to my turkey. This is just using some white fondant, but you can definitely use frosting as well. Add some little pupils to the eyes, and then the turkey needs a nice little beak. So using a leaf tip, I am able to make the beak look pretty much like a turkey. Now that little hanging thing on the bottom of the turkey, that's actually called a wattle, and we're going to make that with a little bit of red frosting. So I'm going to use a fork to kind of ruffle those feathers so that it looks more like a real turkey, and it separates the head from the body of the turkey. Last but not least, we have some feet. Ta-da! Our turkey cake is done, and he turned out so well. He is adorable. I don't know if people are going to want to actually eat this turkey. Thank you so much for watching Sweetwater Cakes. You have a beautiful day. Go sweeten the world, and happy Thanksgiving! Bye-bye.